Okay, this question we're asked to solve, and can't factor that I could see, and so using the quadratic formula, perfect. And your application, that's to be a +4, yeah. And then this would change sign, so that's right. And so you come down to here. Okay, so your answers are 4 plus or minus square root of 148 over 6. So this 148, I think that we might be able to break that down a little bit. So let's try that. 148, it would be 74 times 2, and this would be 37 times 2 times 2. So here's 2 2's. So when I simplify, I can write it as 4 plus or minus square root 4 square root 37 all over 6. So it'll be 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 37 over 6. Okay, and then one last thing, you can simplify all those three numbers. And an easy way to do that is to say this is a common denominator. So you can write it as 4 over 6 plus or minus 2 root 37 over 6. And then simplify each fraction. This I could change to 2/3 plus or minus 2 goes into 6 3 times. So this would be root 37 over 3. So this would be correct, or you could also write it as 2 plus or minus root 37 over 3. I'll put it in the middle there. Either of those would be correct. Now to see if we're correct, and I just looked at it just quickly to see if you'd plug the numbers in the formula up here correctly. But I can check to see if that's correct just by graphing it. So let's try that. Okay, so I'm writing 3x squared minus 4x minus 11. Okay, and I see it cross at negative 1.3 and positive 2.694. So let's check to see if our answers are the same as that. Okay, there's the answers. Okay. So I'm going to write bracket 2 plus the square root of 37, go out and then hit a bracket, divided by 3, 2.69, and that was the number I think that we had. Yep, 2.69. And so the other one, 2 minus the square root of 37, close the bracket, divided by 3. It's negative 1.36, same as that one. Therefore, everything you've done correctly, everything that you've done so far was correct. Now this one, if you didn't simplify that on an exam, I'm not giving you full points, but I'll probably give you 4 out of 5 because you recognize that you needed to move that 11 over, and you recognize that you could use the quadratic formula to solve, and you applied the quadratic formula correctly. The only thing is you didn't finish simplifying that. So I'm giving you most of the points for the question. Well done.